Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Cancers. So these are for your general energies, Cancers. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy. So you can stay tuned for that. So let's see what are these cards. We have Two of Swords, Two of Cups in reverse and Eight of Cups. So Cancers, in your situation today, guys, maybe in your work situation or in your relationship, you are moving towards some kind of partnership or collaboration, guys, in your work. So something positive has come up and you are happy for it, and you are feeling that things are going in a very favorable way for you, guys. So let it be in your work or in your relationship, things are going in a very positive way and you are happy for it, happy for the way it is, and you have that sense of community or teamwork in your life today, in your work or in this relationship. You have teamwork for you, working for you. So you have a better understanding with this person you love. And maybe today you are in a circumstance where you need to make some choices, some important decisions have come up, and you need to be really, clear about those choices, because these choices may change the way things are in your life, guys, in your future. And you are someone who is really balanced and you know what works well for you, and maybe you are making that choice which you are really honest about. Maybe whatever you have in your mind, maybe if it is something work related, you may be inclined to take up some path or avoid certain things according to the way you feel about that kind of work, maybe. So you are making some honest decision, and these truthful decisions may not may suggest your courage and your willpower, but also for some of you it may increase the affection with this person you love, maybe if you are making some important decisions in your relationship. But for some of you, I also see that it may lead you towards something difficult for yourself. So a honest decision you are making today, guys, Cancers. And maybe for some of you, you just want to take a time off from your responsibilities. Maybe you are planning a vacation alone, you want a trip alone, maybe to refresh, detox from your day to day activities. And you have succeeded in few things, you have achieved few goals, you are happy for it, but now you have other aspirations, or you are having some other distractions today, guys. So you want to proceed towards that. Maybe for some of you it may be something spiritual. Maybe you want to achieve peace and harmony for yourself, or you want to feel peaceful, that harmonious feeling you want to have for yourself. So you are adapting some things, maybe some habits, or it may be a journey you are taking. For some of you it may not be a literal journey, but it may be an emotional journey or spiritual journey that you are taking up today, guys, Cancers. So you have some distractions today, distractions that are taking you away from your responsibilities, guys, Cancers. So that is what I see with these cards, Cancers. That is a reading for y'all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, you can watch the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can either close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds about your situation, then choose the cards or the crystals and watch that reading, so that way the reading may resonate, guys. So you can think about your situation, guys. So I will start with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card and this crystal. Let's see what is the card for you all. So for those who chose this card, the card says water and salt, truth. So in your situation today, guys, maybe in this relationship or maybe in some circumstance, you are someone who is really truthful, honest, and who speaks the truth, maybe plain truth, and people around you, maybe someone really close to you, they may not like you speaking the plain truth. They may not understand that it is your honest words. It may be what you truly feel, but you may be punished or you may be scolded or they may come to fight with you because of speaking this honesty, and you are not willing to tone down this truth or flatter them in any ways. So you are someone who speaks your mind, someone who tells what you truly feel, and this may not go well with this person or someone in your life, and this is not the time to to speak just to please this person. This may be the time for speaking what is that in your heart, giving that clarity, and maybe there is no reason for you to speak otherwise. This is the time you are speaking the truth, plain truth, maybe in some situation, and this person may not like it because it makes them feel really uncomfortable, and they may come to argue with you or fight with you, or they may even try to break this relationship. But this truth is all that you need for to be in this connection, and you can never give it up. That is your situation, guys. But whatever troubles you're facing today, guys, maybe by speaking what is there in your mind or some truth to this person, whatever you're facing, someday this person will understand that your words are based on honesty, and that all that happened is their mistake, and they will realize what has gone wrong, and it is all their mistake, guys. So your honesty, your plain honesty will be appreciated someday, but that day may not be today. You may be facing a lot of troubles because of this truth, but you can be sure that someday they will understand what you truly felt today, guys, and the reason for you to speaking such words. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for y'all today, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose the second crystal and this card, the second card, we have lithium quartz, and it is a crystal spirits card, guys. So this crystal, it just stands for that calmness, composure, peacefulness in our situation, and connectedness with that other person. So how to achieve this peacefulness in a relationship? Peace comes in a relationship when we are willing to trust that there is more than one right way of doing anything. Maybe we are suggesting some things and we believe in our way, Maybe whatever this person is also suggesting may be a different path, but that may also be the right path towards that destination. So you need to understand that, and you need to collaborate with your strengths, and maybe in the areas we are weak we can take support, and the areas we are strong we can help the other person. So in a relationship we are meant to heal and grow together, balancing each other in this relationship. And that is the reason opposites always attract. So we are opposites of each other, so the people in a relationship, guys, and we must appreciate each other's talents and skills and support each other, so that way we are working towards a peaceful connection. And this crystal promotes that, or this crystal energy is that going for that peaceful interconnection. So you need to understand and try to collaborate instead of fighting or arguing. Sometimes we must listen to that person, their ideas. So even their ideas may work out positively, just how we believe our ideas will work out in a positive way, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for y'all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. So this was your first card, guys. Bye, guys.